Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you see that my trunk latch was broke, this one, when I was in New York and on the way to home to Charleston. So my trunk latch was broken, and at the same time I went to the advanced auto shop and tried to find the latch, but I couldn't find the latch over there. So I called Hyundai dealer nearby. That day was Saturday, and when I called to Hyundai and they said we have, but it's $140, $140 for latch. So I said no. So I said okay, thank you, because I feel it's very expensive. So what happened? The spring was broken. See, and it was not coming back. See this part. And the spring was broken, and this is the original one. See, Hyundai and Kia, both logo is here. So then I order online through eBay, same thing. So it's Hyundai Sonata. You can check out the part number. If anybody wants to order or online, you can check it out. This is the part number, and this is the original one. See, 81230C1010, and it's genuine part. I order online through eBay, and I found it very inexpensive, and it's original. See, everything is same. And if you want to check it's working or not working, so it's very easy. You can check it out. See, lock like that. And then, so let me install and see how it works. one more thing I need to share, which I was facing from last 1 year regarding my trunk sensor. Whenever trunk is open, you can see the lights on your dashboard, and there is a trunk light. I was trying to figure out what's wrong, why my trunk light is not working. This light, I'm talking about this light. So this light, I checked the bulb was okay, fuse was okay. Then I did some research on Google. Then I realized that this latch have a sensor, electronic sensor. Let me show you in my, yeah, this one. This black thing have a sensor. So whenever you open the trunk, you will see the light is turned on, trunk light will turn on, and you will see the in your dashboard. For example, now I'm gonna open the door. 1 second, let me close the trunk as well. Trunk is closed, everything is closed, so there is nothing on my dashboard. So I just open the door. Okay, see, there is a sensor, there's a, yeah, one door is open, driver side. I'm gonna open another door. See, it's showing another door. Now I'm going to turn on the open the trunk. You will see, yeah, see, before it was not coming. So I already figured out my sensor is not working, but I'm not changing the whole latch because of the lights. But I have very bad time because I don't have any light in the night, so I couldn't see anything in my trunk. So I bought this $10 light from the Walmart to check my trunk. But now I realize that there is a sensor and there is an electronic thing in the latch. If you change the whole thing, everything will start working. So finally I changed everything, so my trunk is opening properly, my remote is working nicely, my trunk light is working, everything's working. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more beautiful videos. Thank you, sir.